Today I want to show you how to make an acne spot cream at home. It is very soothing, natural. It is a homemade formula to calm acne and any breakouts. Starting off with our ingredients, you only need 4 of them. Unrefined shea butter, which even though it is a butter, it is non-clogging and non-comedogenic. Zinc oxide powder, jojoba oil, and camphor essential oil. You want to measure out 4 ounces of unrefined shea butter. I love this shea butter brick. It's very soft, easy to use in formulations. Cut it in pieces, put it in a bowl, and then pour in 1 ounce of jojoba oil. Normally in my formulations, I melt my butters, but in this case, there's only shea butter. It's very soft, so I break it down manually into a paste. Then add 36 drops of camphor essential oil, the most soothing essential oil of all. It will do wonders for your breakouts. Stir it in really well. Last but not least, zinc oxide powder. You need 1.5 ounces of this magic mineral. It is a very fine white powder that will help you soothe any breakouts you have. So you add a few teaspoons at a time to your paste, fold it in gently, keep going until everything turns into a white paste. You can apply this as a spot treatment on any acne breakouts. You can leave it on overnight and wipe it off in the morning. It will help heal it a lot faster. I hope you love this recipe. Our acne spot cream is ready for you. Check out our blog for all the directions, and happy DIY!